Hi, I'm Av. I want to give you a quick overview here at the MDOT video wall on how best to use Reactiv in your regular workflow. So first up, Reactiv is a presentation software that allows you to bring a whole bunch of content in place. And what we have here is called Pitch, Stage, and Scribble. So Pitch, you're probably not going to use. It's presenting one file only. Stage and Scribble are where we're going to focus. Stage is presenting multiple files, and Scribble is an infinite whiteboard. Okay, I'm actually now going to show you how Stage works. When you click on Stage, you're going to see a bunch of workspaces. So you can use an existing workspace that's already there, or you can add a new workspace. So let's actually add a new workspace. I'm going to create a new workspace. I'm going to add a new folder. So Reactiv already has a shortcut. Let's actually use that. Workspace name. So I'm going to say flood. So maybe you actually have a need to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to click workspaces and click next, 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 start presentation, yes.